This is the evidence. We find that this this water pump, this plunger pump, is having a problem in the piston. So this is the piston. This is where we are having troubles. Look, we put this. Look, it doesn't come like this. Stay here, and now look this. We move this complete. So this is the problem. This is where we having that problem. So we're gonna change the oil gasket to see if this problem persists. Now we changed the oil gasket. This is the old, and now the plunger pump have a new oil gasket. And look, wanna try? And the problem persists. And this is the area where we are having problems, because if we see here, if I change this piston to another, look, problem persists, doesn't come like this. So this is the other one. If I put it here, look, but this is the area where we are having problems. So even changing the oil gasket, the problem persists. And some time ago, around 1 month or two, we give this drone a service in the plunger pumps, and the problems was solved with a service. But now with a service, the drone still have the problem.